In today's fast-moving world, we do not need n number of softwares to connect to n number of application or instances. There is only one software which is used by millions and millions of developers across the globe, that is VS Code by Microsoft. So let's see how we can make use of VS Code in order to connect to our autonomous database which we had provisioned in our OCI tenancy. So in order to connect to the Oracle database instance, there is a dedicated extension which is created by Oracle. So if you go to Visual Studio Marketplace, there is a extension with name Oracle SQL Developer Extension for VS Code. So this is, if you see, the creator is Oracle Corporation. So this is the official extension which is developed by Oracle for VS Code. Now let me head over to my VS Code. If you click on the extensions, here you have to search for the exact similar name, that is Oracle SQL extension. It is this one. Let me just click on install. Again, verify you don't install any spam softwares or extensions. You have to just look for the official Oracle Corporation extension for VS Code. That is Oracle SQL Developer Extension for VS Code. At the time of recording this class, I'm having this version, that is 24.3.1. I will pause this class until it is fully installed. Once the extension has been successfully installed, you will get two options over here, that is disable and install, which we don't want to do. Suppose if you want Oracle to navigate you, we will be getting a welcome screen over here, and also if you observe, there is a SQL developer icon added over here under the options. So here in the welcome screen, you will be navigated like how you can make use of the extension. That is, it is saying we have to click on this icon to navigate to the extension. Then how to create a connection is like this. We have to click on the create connection. Here also we can click on create and connect to our ATP instance. And also if you see test connection, so when you click on the new create connection, you will get a pop-up something like this. You can fill the details something over here and click on save, and the next step is we have to write our query. So that's it. We will click on this SQL developer icon over here, click on the create connection. A new create connection page opens up. I will tell over here ATP 23 AI database, and from the authentication type we can select the default, or based on the password see how we can provide it over here. I will give over here admin, which is my username, and the password I will quickly populate. Connection type, as we are connecting to the cloud, we have to select the cloud wallet. We have to choose the file. Let us download the file from our OCI. So in order to download the file, we have to click on the database connection. Here we have to click on download wallet. It will ask for the password. I will give my password over here. Then click on download. So if you closely observe, we are having couple of TNS names over here, out of which we can select one of them in order to make a connection. Let me keep this open as of now. Switch over to the VS Code, click on choose file. My wallet file is over here. Select this and click on select. From here, I will select hi and click on test over here before click on connect or save. So it will take couple of seconds in order to fully test the connection. So here we will get a message at the bottom right corner saying test passed for the connection for 23 AI. Click on connect, and also we can click on save. So if you see, our connection is establishing with the ATP database. Then suppose if you want to create a new connection, we can just click on this plus anytime create a new connection. As of now, I will click on cancel. I will close the welcome page. I will minimize this. Suppose if you want to launch a SQL worksheet, just click on this plus in front of the file icon. Once the SQL worksheet opens up, I will write a query. So this is the fresh instance. Don't have any tables created in this database instance. I will get the sysdate from devel. Select this and click on run over here. So in the bottom section, we are having a query result. Here we will get the output. Suppose if you want to know how many tables are there in your database, just expand this. Procedures, packages, everything will be on your Oracle SQL database extension. So in this class, we have seen couple of things: how to install this Oracle SQL Developer Extension on our VS Code. Also, we had seen how to create a connection to our newly provisioned ATP23 AI database on our OCI, how we have connected to this ATP instance with the help of the Cloud Wallet, created the connection, tested the connection. Now, what we worked with SQL Developer, same thing we can do it over here in the help of this VS Code extension.